Welcome to Carter & Haynes, and here is our 2018 Volvo V90. It's a T4 petrol edition with the automatic gearbox, finished in metallic grey, lovely condition throughout, really good spec. Electric tailgate. It's got a Volvo mat fitted to protect the carpets. Half leather interior and Alcantara. Again, really nice condition throughout. Very good service history and low mileage of just 48,258. Service history is all listed on our website, which is mostly with Volvo. If you'd like further information to arrange viewing and or finance quotations, do give us a call on 01244 570 814. That's 01244 570 814.